Hello everyone. Today I wanted to make this video to share with you a really bad experience that I had gone through in early 2020. Okay, so let's get started. I wanted to share with you my experience with a company that I had invested in, and this company is in the airline industry. Do you want to guess what airline industry I decided on? In fact, I went with American Airlines, ticker AAL. I made this investment sometime in late 2019 where I invested in AAL and I purchased the share price at around $31. Okay, up until the coronavirus outbreak in February 2019, this is when I noticed the share price began to continue to go down and down and down, from $31 and up to $15. At the point when I took a 50% loss, I realized, hey, this company isn't going to go anywhere. And I firmly believe that, American Airlines will continue to underperform given the coronavirus incident. All right. So I was fortunate to make the switch with the information given to me and not just wait and continue to take further losses. I actually lost $22,000, but I was fortunate to maintain my equity with my money that wasn't lost in American Airlines. So I was fortunate to keep that funds preserved. The good thing is that, I'm no longer in American Airlines, and currently I feel like American Airlines will take some time for it to grow. However, let's say if you're a day trader, you may, gain on the positive proceeds. Let's say during a good bull run day, you can earn on companies like American Airlines. However, for me, as a long-term investor, I took the wrong move with American Airlines. And I do feel like, as a long-term investor, it may take about 2 or 3 years for a company like American Airlines to pick up again in terms of, gaining on a positive return on cash flow after excluding all the operational expense and taxes. Okay, so I wanted to share my experience with you in terms of taking a loss of $22,000, of my entire investment. And at that time, all I had left remaining was, just about 40,000 remaining in equity at that time. And I had to, make better moves. And instead, I decided to switch, my funds into biotech. And the biotech industry has helped me gain back, what I had lost. And, I hope that, my switch over from the airline over to biotech, it's going to pay in the long run for me. So I hope this video has helped showing you how I was able to make the switch after taking a big loss, of like $22,000 from American Airlines because of the COVID-19 impact. Okay, so that's all, folks. I hope this video gave you some insight as to, how my story has made me become, a better thinker and one who knows that you can't really time the market and be able to observe the information you're given to you and make key strategic changes to your investment portfolio. So that's what I did, and I was able to, gain back what I lost after the fact of, making the switch into biotech. And, I'm back in the normal state, and I'm glad that I am back in that state, and I'm looking forward to make better investment decisions moving forward. All right, thank you for watching Investing with All I See is W.